103. 103 Al. Yeah, they may have a white baseball cap on at the time, but they said they both say mid-20s, kind of light blonde hair, light brown hair. We had a mustache. Looked like
Good morning, little friend. It's morning like this that remind me the season has truly shifted. There is a crispness in the air that wasn't here last week. I always find a simple made bed is the first step to a peaceful, organized day. Look at Evie. She knows she's getting a front row seat to the change. That little ray of sun filtering through the window is so beautiful. But you can see the air outside is getting a bit windy and chilly. It's officially time to hunker down. Even with the wind, I love this time of year. Just look at my beautiful dahlias still hanging on to the last bits of summer cooler. They are a wonderful reminder that even as things slow down, there is still so much beauty outside. But it's also a firm push to make the inside just as magical. This kind of weather calls for two things: comfort food and creating a cozy sanctuary. Today, that is exactly what we are doing. Before we get into the baking, let's talk about the heart of the home, the family room. When the days get shorter, we spend so much more time right here. Making your home cozy isn't just about decor, it's about making a safe, warm space for yourself and your family to recharge. It's about nesting before the deep chill of winter sets in. I picked up just a few new items, a super soft fur throw and couple of texture pillows. Because the secret of cozy is texture. I look for the fabrics like chunky knit, velvet and fleece. These are not just decorative, they are designed for snuggling. Time for the baking that's going to make the whole house smell like a warm hug. I'm making my favorite no-fail focaccia bread. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing this dough proof. It's so alive. The beauty of focaccia is its simplicity. I love that the imperfections are what makes it rustic and delicious. This bread is pure, simple comfort. I use tons of good olive oil, flaky sea salt, and fresh rosemary. As this bakes, the aroma is going to fill every corner of the house. That smell, yeast, rosemary, and olive oil, that is the official scent of my kitchen in the fall. This bread is perfect for dipping in my chili, or honestly, just tearing off a piece and eating it plain. It's one of these recipes that always feel like a hug, and it's a wonderful way to connect with a little bit of food history. Now for the main event, a classic beef chili. This is my absolute essential comfort meal. It's hearty, it's nourishing, and it's just a good chili is all about developing those layers of flavor. I use cumin, chili powder, and oregano, but my little secret? A tiny pinch of cinnamon. Don't tell anyone. It really deepens the complexity and makes it taste like it's been simmering for days. This is the magic part, the slow simmer. The house smells incredible right now. While my chili is bubbling away, infusing all the flavor, I can finish up the final touches on my cozy space. And there it is, rich, thick, and perfectly seasoned. This meal is more than just dinner. It's warming ritual for a cold night. A side of the warm focaccia, and we are set for a perfect cozy evening in. And here is the final reveal. The throws are draped, the pillows are fluffed, and the whole room feels instantly warmer. And the best part, I'm reusing so much from previous years. I am a big believer in shopping your own home. A couple of creamy pumpkins, a favorite seasonal candle, and a wooden tray. You don't need to buy a whole new aesthetic every year. These old places bring their own sense of tradition and familiarity. I even added a little cozy touch to the kitchen. Sometimes all it takes is a basket of blanket near a window seat or a single flickering candle to transform the entire feel of the space. This is why we do it. This is the reward. We work hard to make our house feel like a home, a sanctuary from the outside world. When the wind is howling and it's dark outside, there is nothing better than sinking into this spot with a bowl of homemade comfort and knowing you created this. I hope this video inspired you to embrace the season. Remember, cozy doesn't have to be expensive, it just has to be intentional. It's about texture, warmth, and the simple act of preparing your space and yourself for the quiet, restorative beauty of fall and winter. Thank you so much for spending this cozy day with me. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready for fall baking. What is the one thing that makes your home feel cozy? Let me know in this comment. Bye.